I can buy anything. I have lots of money to spend. Good morning, sir. Who are you? What do you want? My name is Priya. I don't have parents. I have no one to support my life. I have no one to support my life. I don't have money. Please give me something to eat. Why should I help to you? I don't know who are you. From so many days I did not eat. I want to eat something now. Please give me something to eat. Get lost from here. Sir, please, sir. Sir, please. No, get lost from here. I'm a businessman. I have so many property. I have so much land. Good morning. Good morning, sir. My name is Anusha. I need some help from you, sir. Could you please help me? Because my daughter is not feeling well. I want to take her to hospital. Please help me. No, I can't help you. I don't like to help. You go and ask someone. Please help me, sir. No, I can't help you. You don't ask me. Go and ask someone. They will help you. Please help me, sir. No, I can't. You go.